This is going to be a quick guide on the clean and jerk. Now, understand that different athletes have different proportions. So they may have longer legs, longer arms. They may have mobility issues that they may need to adjust some of these positions. However, this is just going to be a general guideline on the positions that we are looking for the clean and jerk. Starting off with the start position for the clean portion of the clean and jerk. We're going to start off with the feet approximately hip widths apart, maybe slightly outside of the hips. Hands grip are going to be just outside of the hips. I like to use my thumbs as a measuring point for this. Toes are pointed slightly out, and we're going to be nice and close to the bar. Now, when we are down in that start position, chest up, eyes up, nice flat back, shoulders back, okay? Hips are going to be slightly above knee level, making sure that the shoulders are over top of the bar. Now, for the actual pull phase of the clean before the jerk, if we are starting with an empty bar, we're just going to start at mid-shin. If you're working with the bumper plates, they're just going to be resting on the ground. However, you still want to be active in the legs before you pull, okay? So I'm active in the legs. As I start my pull, my chest and my hips are rising at the same rate. Knees are slightly moving backwards out of the way of the weight. I'm pulling in with my lats to keep the bar close to the body. Now, once I get above my knees, the hips are going to accelerate at a slightly faster pace to meet the knees at the top of the pull. Now at the top of the pull, it's going to be aggressive shrug, calf raise, drive the elbows up to the sky, then quick turnover with the hands and a baby squat. Release that grip. Now with the clean and jerk, there is a little bit of a transition phase where you need to switch your setup from the catch of the clean to the actual initiation of the jerk. So when we first are in our catch for the clean, we have our grip released, that bar is sitting on the shoulders, we're at a quarter squat. So we're going to stand that weight up, and now we need to get in the position to start our jerk. So we want more of a grip on the bar. We want that pinky to be in contact with it. So what we're going to do is we're going to give ourselves a little bounce to give us time to adjust that grip. So now I have a little bit more of a full grip on that bar. Again, that is a little bit of a bounce. Adjust that grip. Now, we're going to move our feet slightly inward so that is directly beneath our hips. The dip of the jerk is going to be straight forward knees. Keep the heels on the ground. I have my elbows slightly pointed down so that I'm underneath the bar, but the weight is still resting on the shoulders. Extend at the hips quickly. Use the legs to propel that weight. Use the arms to finish. And as I'm finishing with the arms, I'm splitting my legs straight forward, straight back, or slightly outwards. Okay, we don't want to land on a tightrope. We want to go slightly outwards. Front foot facing straight forward, back foot straight forward or slightly in. We want to have a little bit of a break in the knee. Chest up, eyes up, hips underneath us. If we get straight legged, we're going to be leaning forward, so we want to break that knee. And then once we finish that portion of it, so we're straight up overhead, we're in our landing position, we're going to have a slight step backwards with our front foot, boom, and then finish back foot, lower the weight down nice and in control down to the shoulders, give yourself a little cushion at the end. Thank you for watching this quick guide on the clean and jerk. If you're looking for other movements, you can check my page, or if you have specific suggestions, you can leave them in the comments below and I will make sure to get back to you with a video. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you again.